Hey, what is up, guys? This is Anthony here, just doing a short video on showing you how you could get involved on this huge NFT project that I am loving. It just makes so much sense. I am not a financial advisor, short disclaimer. This is just a hobby, something I do for fun. I figure, hey, rather than spending any extra money I have saved, let's invest it and have our money work for us, guys. This specific project has 46,000% increased over the last year alone, and it's coming out with so many major updates and news and so many different collaborations that I think it's gonna absolutely explode. So what I want to do is basically show you how to purchase this project OMI, this NFT token, guys. This non-fungible token is one of my favorites at the moment, and I'm gonna show you how you can basically get involved. So what you want to do is somehow, some way, buy Bitcoin. You can buy it from Cash App. You can buy it from crypto.com. You can buy it on Coinbase. And what you want to do is basically send it to this wallet here, which is OMI, guys, on BitForex.com. And what I'll do is I'll show you exactly how you can do that, guys. So what we'll do is we'll go right over here to deposit, and we will choose Bitcoin. It will populate with an address, which is right over here, guys. We'll copy this right there, and we'll go over to wherever you have your crypto wallet, any Bitcoin and such, and we're going to send the Bitcoin to this address here. So I'll take this $998 that's in the portfolio, and we will paste this address, and that is exactly where the money will go. We'll go to continue, and we will go just like this. Network fee very short, and it'll receive in about 30 minutes or so. So I'm going to send it over, guys. Two-step verification I'll just have to provide here to authenticate it for security. There we go. We'll confirm that. And something just as simple as that, we have now exchanged, the crypto that was in this wallet, and now will appear right over here in this different exchange on BitForex, which will allow me to buy this NFT token OMI, guys. Super excited to show you the rest. Once this finishes up and is deposited into the account, we'll go ahead with the next steps. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, the Bitcoin has hit this exchange on BitForex right over here, and it's in the wallet when it first hits the account. So what you want to do is then go into transfers, and BTC is the token. So what you do is you want to transfer it from your wallet to your spot account, which is going to then allow you to trade it, and then you'll do transfer all, or you can do, the amount of Bitcoin that you do want to transfer to buy this token. So I'm going to transfer all, and then I will let it confirm there. And now what that did is it brought it to my spot account, which will allow me to sell Bitcoin. And you want to sell it to USDT, which is Tether, which is basically the US dollar, but in crypto currency. So you'll come right over here and you'll find BTC USDT, and you will then come down here to sell it. And you can choose the amount, that you do want to convert. So I'll do 100%, which will turn into 988 US dollar Tether, which is, like I said, the United States dollar in cryptocurrency form, and we will sell it. Trading password: once you sign up for this exchange, you will have to create a password just for security purposes. So there we go. We just sold it, which will now allow us to convert the USDT or the USD Tether into the OMI coin. So now we'll come right up here and go to OMI, which is the coin, into USDT. And now instead of selling, we obviously want to buy OMI. So the availability is, we'll do all. So actually didn't convert yet, so we'll give it a few minutes, and then we will actually convert the USDT into the OMI coin. Okay, great news. Now that the Bitcoin was sold and converted into the USDT, we now want to go to OMI, which is this amazing token that we see huge potential in. It's down 21%. I actually purchased a bunch yesterday right up around this level. But you know what they say, buy the dips, because this thing should be taken off to $1 in the future. So what we want to do is, now that the USDT is converted, is now come down here to OMI, and we're going to buy it. I'm going to convert all of it, and just like that, we will buy this amount of OMI, and let's see, we will convert it 100%. Perfect. Going to buy OMI. My trading password needs to be put in, and there we go. Order was converted. Looks like some more. We're gonna buy some OMI again. Might be just converting in phases that Bitcoin over into a so perfect. That is also now. I'm going to go to my spot wallet, see if the OMI has converted. Sometimes it does take just a tad bit, you know, to make that market order go through to convert the coin. So we'll go to spot. We'll go to OMI, which there it goes. OMI, perfect. And what I usually like to do is we then will transfer it out of it to something else, which would be into our wallet. So it's in the spot account. We want to put it in our wallet unless you do want to trade, and that's basically what the spot account or spot wallet would be for, is if you're converting coins, if you're looking to trade them, or you can transfer them to your wallet, which will just keep them nice and stored and gain appreciation. So I am going to transfer this from my spot account to my wallet, and I'll transfer all this 11,000 right here. We'll transfer that. Perfect. And then the next phase of them should go through, which will go to transfer. And I'm going to transfer all of these from my spot account here to the wallet, and transfer all 84,000. That'll convert. Perfect. Now, if I go over here to my assets again, which were here already, if we go to wallet, I had a previous 56,000, which brings it up to 152,000 total OMI. Guys, this token is going to absolutely take off. The next video we will be dropping will be on VB, which is the app where it is backed by this token here, OMI, and it's going to be a huge, huge project, guys. Like I said, they have just partnered with the NFL, Warner Bros., Powder Puff, and so many more. Stay tuned for some great info.